Yeah, I'm just gonna get back to playing Wolf Quest.
Yeah, we know.
I'm gonna play Wolf Quest and find this male wolf that begins with D. Look.
Pasta!
Jason, what are you doing? What the hell?
I'm also doing the Pikachu dance.
We're all recording this, by the way. No, I'm not. I was talking to you. I was talking to Jason and that lot. Damn it all. So. Yeah, we oh god, we all know that this is Gabby, Jason, and Sonia, because I'm gonna put a picture of all of us, okay? Happy now?
Yep.
Good.
I wasn't saying that, you know.
The colours shine so fucking bright!
Oh no, I hate that song, it's scary!
I'm making the evil version of it.
Do you mind if I go upstairs, Sean? Okay, I just thought you might want the telly off. I'm walking up the stairs. I'm walking up the stairs with the light off. I wonder if anyone...
I'm falling up the stairs.
Lols. Wow, it's really dark up there.
Headshot. I said headshot.
It's 6:30. Lols, my voice echoed then. It's echo. Lols.
Dad, can I ask you a question?
Yes?
On Wolf Quest, when you meet this wolf, right? There's this black wolf. It's a what do you call it? Male. Begins with a D. It's a D-R-U-L-D male. It said make my day. What do I say?
Oh, you've got to be nice to the guy, or otherwise he won't join your pack. So just be nice to him. Okay.
Okay. Should I just say I give in?
No, don't say that. Don't say that. You're supposed to be nice to him, like play with him and be his friend and stuff. That's the.
Yeah, he just said make my day.
Yeah, that's the wolf that you need. He's the nice wolf, or the other wolves kill you. Now. Jason! Jason, where's that picture of you holding hot dogs? I thought you was gonna still do it.
It just said, I'm boss, back off.
Yeah.
Oh, run, Sonia, he's gonna kill you. He's gonna kill you.
I ran.
Okay, good.
I'm a firing my laser into the night sky.
Yours. Jigsaw fell off of his bike! That was so funny. That video.
Make the cat, it's retarded.
Oh, come on. You've missed a lot, haven't you? We all know that. We all know that.
I know, but it's my logic. Yeah, but it is my logic. You don't question.
I do question, okay? You can't talk to that like to Jigsaw and your sister, okay? Good.
No, what?
No, what? No, I'm joking! Don't kill me.
I've snapped now. I've...
Fine, this is going on YouTube. It's going to be called Jason Snaps. Because you snapped. I'm really joking. Fire with my laser! Blah! Thank you.
Ow. Sorry, I just got a bit of stomach cramp. I ate too much.
Oh. Jason!
About,
Jason, don't play that song.
Oh, you mean like this?
No! No!
Because that's so bright. Because you're so right. I never like it. I'll keep on running. Because that's so bright. Because
Jason, turn it off!
He's gonna kill me! I'm floating!
My revenge.
I'm crying!
You forced it. It's your own fault.
Jigsaw! Give me! I'm crying! I'm not talking. I'm not talking anymore. No, shut up. I'm gonna go sleep. Good night. Shadow plushie! Boom!
Here,
Found it!
I'll play you a lullaby. I'll play you a lullaby.
Turn it off!
That's it, I'm muting it. I'm muting my mic.
Okay, I'm sorry. Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Shall we? Fucking sorry! I told you, I snapped. Guys?
Yeah?
I see a giraffe, and it's in my bedroom.
Lol.
I'm turning
Sounds
the
good.
recording off. Oh.